quite versatile drone. Syempre, we were not able to test it now, diba? We're indoors. Unless...
Walang battery.
Hello, and welcome to this episode of Hot Gear. And in this special episode, we have yet another DJI product. And this is the DJI Mini 5 Pro.
I'm actually surprised they have another product. It's like releasing product every month.
Oh.
I don't know what's coming the next few months.
Meron silang bago, diba? Yung maliit na...
Yeah, the Nano. It just came out last night, literally.
So, just do a quick unboxing. And then we'll have the review. Si Charles will review this in the south. We'll try to see if kaya ni Leander mag-fly ng drone.
Yeah, I'll try to teach Leander how to fly a drone using this one.
So again, Charles, anong sinasabi mo about the bag?
Okay. As usual, very nice DJI bag which houses everything. So, andito na lahat. Kahit saan ka magpunta, ito yung dala natin pag nag-shoot tayo.
It's nice. This is the nicest bag we have. May mga texture siya dito.
Yeah, talaga nag-improve yung bags nila every release.
Sige, buksan natin, Charles.
So let's open it. So first and foremost, the remote.
It reminds me of the ones Mini 4, Mavic 4.
No, it's different.
This one?
Yeah. Yung sa Mavic Pro, yun yung screen niya.
Comes out. This one doesn't come out na.
Vertical mode.
I guess kasi the DJI with the minis are trying to make it small naman, diba?
Yeah.
So I think that's
I think this is the same remote as the Flip. So we're very familiar with it then.
Okay.
Very nice display, decent battery life, great range.
In your experience, how long yung battery life niya sa Flip? Did you ever have to charge it?
Of course. But it takes a while. Parang the 3 batteries that comes with the Flip, based on my experience, the drone will drain faster before the remote drains.
And speaking of batteries, ito naman tayo ulit. This is the Mini 5 Pro. I'm guessing it's a package, no? But the package usually comes with the Fly More combo. And here's 2 of the 3 batteries. So this is the holder. It can charge. It can also check the status of the battery here below. I guess everything's dead, no? But I'm gonna have Charles hold this kasi masya-shock siya. Okay, so I'll take a battery out. I'll be like, Charles, please hold the battery.
Hindi ba ito dummy?
Charles is saying that because it's so light. Like, these batteries are... how's that possible, diba? I think you have to hold one.
It's so light.
Parang siyang walang laman.
Parang walang laman.
We'll find out soon. But you have a bunch of other cables here. We don't really need to go into that. What we need to do is get into the drone. So Charles, please do the honors then.
Okay, so this is the drone itself. 5th generation of the Mini series.
The Mini series for us has always been something important kasi in the States at least, you're limited to 250 grams without a license. In the Philippines, we're a little bit more lax about it. You just need under 4 kg ba or something.
Yeah. 7 nga yata.
7. But syempre, at 4 kg, you could do a lot of damage if you drop your drone. So lighter drone is always going to be a little bit more manageable. So this is it.
Yeah, and I think for the longest time, the Mini series, you get the Mini series for beginner ones. Diba? Parang this is the most beginner-friendly drone.
Is it friendlier than the Flip for you? Or mas Flip pa rin?
It's been a while since I handled a Mini. The last Mini I tried was Carlos Mini, and it's a Mini 1.
1080?
Yeah.
Or 2K?
2K.
Gosh.
2K.
So this is the Mini 5. Mini 5 Pro. It's got 50 megapixels, which is great. It's nothing like the 100 megapixel Hasselblad sensor of the Mavic 4. But for a drone this small and this light, honestly, 50 megapixels, you don't really need much more than that, diba?
Yes.
Unlike the Mavic, this one is very light. Kasi the Mavic, hindi namin masyado nagamit kasi when you bring it around, medyo hassle.
Medyo hassle. Like, to set up pa lang, diba? It's very heavy. Parang overkill for our work, ah.
So this is it. This is the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Seriously, that's how light it is. It's got cameras all around. So sa baba, we've got sensors here, cameras here. This is new kasi, well, not sure new because we didn't have the Mini 4, no? So I actually don't know if this is new for the Mini series, but I think it is. the same Mini 4 had these sensors now. So they have sensors and cameras in the bottom, cameras out front, and cameras pointing up. So basically, it should fly itself. And then the nice thing about it is 50 megapixels. Like I said kanina, hindi siya like yung
100.
Mavic 4, hindi siya 100. Pero 50 megapixels flying.
It's a lot.
That's more than our Sonys, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
More than our iPhones.
Yeah. And then it's 3-axis gimbal. So
It can shoot 4K 120.
which is better than our Sonys.
Yeah.
Actually. And 4K 120, 50 megapixels. That's quite a lot. I think this is the same sensor as 1-inch sensor. So Osmo Pocket pa rin, 1 inch.
I think this is better than the Osmo
Wow, really?
Pocket 3.
But that's a pretty good sensor. And it's a quite versatile drone. Siyempre, we were not able to test it now. Diba? We're indoors. Unless...
Walang battery but the thing I like talaga, it has sensors. Dati kasi, di ba the minis, parang okay nga siya for beginner. Pero the problem is, wala siyang sensor.
I've crashed my Mini a lot.
If you want the cheapest DJI drone na may sensor, it's the Air series. A lot more expensive.
A lot more, and heavier.
Yes.
So
parang ito, yung... I don't know. I think this is the perfect beginner drone.
Okay. Yeah. So it's a lot simpler to unbox. There's not as much stuff as in the Mavic 4. But let's try to see lang what the screen looks like. But this one, if you've used a DJI product in the past, it turns on the drone also.
I turned it on.
Okay, sorry. Magic siya. So if you've used a DJI product in the past, this one would be all too familiar for you. If you remember the first gen, I think the Mini 2 still uses an iPhone.
Yes.
And a clamp, which is terrible. It's a terrible solution. But yeah, so this is the DJI RC2, Remote Control 2. It's the same one you get in the Flip. We're not going to log in now because that'll take forever. Pero it does feel good.
And it has lights. Look. Yung Flip wala eh.
Ah, really?
Yeah.
It's a lot more interesting. I think, without even reviewing it, this is probably the best small sub 250 gram drone that you can buy. So we opened the box and we found that there were some other stuff inside.
Propellers.
So we have the usual spare propellers, and you have...
cords and manuals and other stuff.
Yeah, so the usual stuff, but these are things you'd expect. What I didn't expect is this. And si Charles hasn't seen this pa. But I guess it goes to show how serious DJI is taking videography. Please open in front of everyone what it is.
Let me guess. Filters? Ang ganda.
So these are magnetic filters, ND filters. And they look solid.
Oh, hi.
So an ND8, ND filter 2, and an ND128. I guess they were tired of small rig making all the money when they make filters for the drones. No? So how does it clip on? Does it clip on magnetically? Hindi.
No, I don't think it's magnetic.
That's
parang
a physical connection.
physical clip. Yeah.
That's pretty good. That's pretty good.
Okay.
I mean, DJI, sana naman next time you have an internal ND filter, but we're okay with this also.
Nice.
Nice, diba? So like a closer look lang. So that's what they look like.
I guess dapat lagay na natin yung isang ND filter. Kasi di ba, well, di ka na magpapalipad ng madilim.
I guess.
Well, it's
I guess.
illegal din eh.
Yeah. Sana the quality is good. Because, the problem with cheap filters
Yeah.
is sometimes the quality can be bad. But these ones seem great. I don't think may experience tayo with ND filters na
Nalagay sa drone.
DJI mismo.
Yeah. Yun ba?
Kasi our pocket, we bought ND filters, but they're, I think, KNF.
Yeah, third party.
Yeah, third party. So the fact that DJI includes this in the box for the Fly More package, medyo cool, diba? So yun, so you'll see this in the hands of Charles and Leander, and hopefully they don't crash it. But
Yeah, and sana maging okay weather.
sana maging okay weather kasi it's been pretty bad. We're just still waiting for someone to launch an IP-rated drone that we can actually fly in bad weather. Kasi with the strongest typhoons coming in, I doubt we'll be able to fly. But yeah, so you'll see Charles, you'll see Leander, you'll see this, and you'll see what this can also output. So what exactly can 4K 120 look like from above? We've seen what the Mavic 4 can do. Can the Mini 5 Pro, can you actually tell the difference? Yun yung tanong yata eh, diba?
Yeah.
Medyo malaki yung sensor ng isa. But this should come close.
Yes.
Diba? And this should be a lot easier to fly, easier to carry around. Yung bag pa lang like just the fact na you can sling it on, was okay, diba? Thanks guys for joining us for this episode of Hot Gear. We're going to fly this and then we can see what the output is like, and we'll give you a full review sometime siguro next week, diba? So see you!